If you want to scan for games in Epic Games, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to scan, verify, and make sure your game files are checked inside the Epic Games launcher. This is super helpful if a game is not launching properly, if files may be missing or corrupted, or if you just want Epic Games to recheck everything for you. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once the launcher is open, go over to the library section. This is where all of your installed games are listed. Find the game you want to scan, and next to that game, click the three dots. This opens the game options menu. From the menu, click Manage. This will take you to the settings for that specific game. In the management menu, you'll see the option to verify. Go ahead and click Verify. Epic Games will then start scanning the game files and checking them against the official version. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and your computer speed. While the scan is running, it's best not to close the launcher. Let it finish fully so it can check every file properly. If Epic Games finds anything missing, damaged, or out of place, it will automatically repair or re-download the necessary files for you. That means you do not have to manually uninstall or reinstall the entire game in most cases. Once the verification is complete, you'll get a confirmation that the game is ready. At that point, you can launch the game again and see if the issue is fixed. This simple scan can solve a lot of common problems and is one of the first things you should try before anything more advanced. So just to recap, open Epic Games Launcher, go to Library, click the three dots next to your game, choose Manage, then click Verify. That's all it takes to scan for games in Epic Games and check your installation files. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.